Welcome back to K Kitchen. Today we're making crunchy lemon muffins. Yum. What you have to do is wash your hands. I've already washed my hands off camera. The second step is to heat up your oven. Turn it to 200 degrees. Then you have to put in your flour. You have enough flour here to buy an airplane. I'm gonna buy an airplane. 2 cups of this flour. Wow, that looks like a mountain. And make sure it's strictly, sharply, whatever word. 2 cups. It's 1 cup. Two cups. So since we put plain flour in, we have to put in baking powder. It also works with self-raising flour. You have to put 4 teaspoons of this in. 1, 2. What? 3. Right now, we have to put in sugar. You need 3/4 of a cup. So 3 of these. 1. What's smoky? Here's 2. Wait, what was the number? 3. Just a heads up, you don't need to use baking powder if you're using self-raising flour. The next thing you have to do is stir up all the ingredients so it's all mixed in. Sadly, because I always like seeing some sugar. I'm basically Lola from the Loud House, even though she's 6. In a separate bowl, you have to put butter in. You have to put it 75 grams in. In usual butters, it has this measure of right there. And you have to cut in 1/50 and a half. 50. So just do that. And then it's marked. So next thing you have to do with your butter, you just pop it in here and then put it in the microwave. So next thing you have to do is put it in the microwave. My microwave, it's kind of old, has a melt button. You press this, press the 1 and start. Now while we're doing that, we have to get on to the next ingredient. You can use different types of butters like margarine or different types of milk. So right now we need 1 cup of milk. Here's our melted butter. But be careful because it might be hot when you take it out of the oven. Well, the first thing you have to do is add the milk to the butter to cool it down. Oh no. Well, that's okay, no one's perfect. Then we have to stir it. And then we have to add an egg. This is from our chickens. It's kind of hard to pick these things up these days. Now, well, that's a fail. Hey, well, like I said, no one's perfect. And then stir again. What's this doing in there? I haven't been eating worms lately. Mum said I have to wash my hands. Earthworms are not allowed in the house. So I just chose to eat it. I have to wash my hands now. Remember, 2 times for happy birthday. Happy birthday to the squiggly worm. Happy birthday to the squiggly worm. Now I have clean hands. It's time to grate the lemon. As you see, we've kind of done this one. Grate it once on each side. Now it's time to add the lemon rind into the bowl. Keep these lemons for later. It's a key ingredient to make it all crunchy. Just add it in. Now you have to give it a bit of a stir. Don't stir it too much otherwise the cupcakes will be a bit hard. Now let's add it in. Yum. Now we have to stir it all together. I wish you could smell it through the camera. It smells delicious. When I mix it more than this, so it doesn't get too hard. And now time to grease this. We like to use butter because that makes it stick less. Now we're ready to put the mixture in. We got 2 spoons. Why am I upside down? Am I not pretty enough? No. And we have to spoon it. Wow. Need enough for all of the mixtures, but okay. And now we have to scrape it in. It should be enough. And the next one. Yum, yum, yum. Now it's time to put them in the oven. Now I have to cook that for about 10 minutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. And now for the best part, licking the stuff. That was delicious. Anyway, while you're waiting for the muffins to cook, you have to cut the lemons in half and squeeze it into a jug. And then you need about, oh yeah, the muffin sheet, the lemon sheet you used, right? Now you have to add a 1/4 cup of sugar into your lemon juice. Yum! Now you have to give it a good stir. It's basically lemonade. Oh, yummy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a look. Ooh. Heat hurts. It smells like seafood. Now, as quickly as you can when it's still hot, put the spoon on your mixture. Get ready to make sure to put a little bit of sugar in your thing.
Lemon juice.
Make sure they're hot. Otherwise they won't become crunchy. Remember to always spoon the mixture on when it's hot. Just come out of the oven so it can harden. Now we have to wait for them to cool down. Be sure if you like what you see, like and subscribe my videos. Bye. Do it! Here they are, ready and slightly cold. Let's see what they taste like. Would you like one too, Oliver? Yes, please.
I like this one. They are delicious.
Hey, good cooking.
Nom, 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 nom. Delicious.